Okay, welcome back. This is part 2 to the mass airflow sensor replacement. Okay. Okay. Guys, it's literally plug and play. It is, you don't really have to be a mechanic per se to do this task. It is a very simple procedure to install. Very simple piece to install on your own. This is a DIY for anyone with little to no skill required. Right. Now, just for aesthetic purposes, whilst your old sensor is out, it's a good idea to just wipe around the area, the surrounding area, so that way, you know, as before you clip it back on, it's going to be hard to reach unless you go in there with like a fine brush. That's pretty much it. I guess once you hear it click, then you're all set. It's good to go. All right. Stay tuned for more DIY installations and tutorials. All right. That's the part number, and that's the install. So, there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Wait, hold on. Okay, I get that part number better for you guys. All right, that's it. All set. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Peace.